So what's up everyone, Danzer Gaming here, and today we're diving into something super relevant for anyone looking to make their mark online. Want to start a YouTube channel without showing your face? In 2025, it's easier than ever with AI tools. Stay tuned to learn how you can create engaging content anonymously. The landscape for content creation has shifted, opening up cool avenues for those who prefer to stay behind the scenes. We're talking about building a presence, a community, and maybe even a career, all without ever needing to step in front of a camera. The appeal is obvious, right? Maybe you're camera shy, value your privacy, or want the content itself to be the star. The tools and strategies available now, especially with AI advancements, have made faceless content creation not just viable, but potentially incredibly successful. We're going to break down exactly how you can leverage these technologies, find your niche, and build a channel from the ground up. Think of this as your roadmap to anonymous YouTube stardom, or at least a very solid, engaging channel. So if you've been on the fence about starting a YouTube channel because the on-camera part felt like a barrier, this video is definitely for you. Let's get into it. Alright, so first up, let's talk about you might choose to create a faceless YouTube channel. The most immediate and obvious benefit is anonymity. In an age where online privacy is a growing concern, the ability to share your passions without attaching your personal identity is a huge draw. This isn't just about being shy, it's about control. You control the narrative and what the audience knows. Beyond privacy, there's the practical advantage of creating content without the constant need for an on-camera presence. No need to worry about your background lighting or even how you're feeling on a particular day. This significantly lowers the barrier to entry and can dramatically speed up your production workflow. Another key aspect is the ease of outsourcing and automation, which becomes much simpler with faceless content. This scalability is a game changer for long-term growth and sustainability, allowing you to operate more like a media company than a solo personality. Okay, so you're sold on the why. Now, let's talk about the what, selecting your niche. One hugely popular area is lofi music and ambient soundscapes. Think about those lo-fi hip-hop radio. Beats to relax, study to streams. There's no face, just a cool animation or a calming visual, and the music does all the work. Then there's educational content. Animated explainers, whiteboard animations, screen recordings with voiceovers. The possibilities are endless. The focus here is purely on conveying information clearly and engagingly. Gaming is another natural fit. While many successful gaming channels feature face cams, a huge number thrive on pure gameplay footage with insightful or entertaining commentary. Meditation, relaxation, and mindfulness content also lend themselves beautifully to a faceless approach. Guided meditations, nature sounds, affirmations, or videos designed to promote sleep often use calming visuals. Finally, consider product reviews or top 10 listicle-style videos. You can showcase products using B-roll footage, screen recordings of websites, or even animations, all while your voiceover provides the review, comparison, or information. This style is efficient to produce and can be highly effective for driving engagement and even revenue if that's a goal. Chapter 3, the AI Toolkit, your faceless content arsenal. Alright, now for the really exciting part, the AI tools that can supercharge your faceless YouTube channel. First on the list is script writing. Tools like ChatGPT can generate a surprisingly coherent and well-structured script. Once you have your script, you need a voice. AI text-to-speech services like ElevenLabs are genuinely mind-blowing. The quality of AI voices has improved exponentially, sounding incredibly natural with realistic intonations. Next up is video creation itself. AI-powered video creation platforms like Pictory or Steve.ai are incredibly powerful. These tools can take your script and automatically find relevant stock video clips or images, or help you create animated scenes. They streamline the editing process, handle text overlays, and can even sync visuals to your voiceover. Thumbnails are critically important for click-through rates on YouTube. Tools like Canva have incorporated AI features that make designing compelling thumbnails easier than ever. AI can suggest layouts, color palettes, and font pairings based on your video's topic or your channel's brand. AI is also being integrated into aspects like topic research, video editing software, and even analytics. The key takeaway here is that AI isn't about replacing creativity, it's about augmenting it. These tools handle the repetitive, time-consuming, or technically challenging tasks, freeing you up to focus on the ideas, the strategy, and the overall quality of your content. It's a force multiplier for solo creators or small teams. Chapter 4. The Blueprint Step-by-Step Faceless Video Production. So we've covered the why, the what, and the tools. Now let's walk through a step-by-step process of creating a faceless YouTube video using this AI-powered approach. Step 1 is ideation and script generation. Let's say you've chosen the educational content niche and want to make a video about the history of AI. You'd start by feeding this topic into ChatGPT. The AI will generate a draft. Your job is then to refine it, check facts, add your unique perspective, and ensure it flows well for a spoken delivery. Once your script is locked in, it's time for the voiceover. You'll take your finalized script and head over to a tool like ElevenLabs. You can paste your text in sections or as a whole. Then you'll select a voice that fits the tone of your educational content. Listen back carefully, make any necessary adjustments, and then render the audio file. With your script and voiceover ready, you move on to video production using a platform like Pictory or Steve.ai. If you're using Pictory, you can upload your script and it will analyze the text, breaking it down into scenes. It will then suggest stock video clips, images, or animations from its library that match the content of each scene. After the main video is assembled, it's thumbnail time. You'll open Canva and start designing. You might use AI features to get suggestions for layouts or color schemes that are common in educational YouTube videos. Finally, before you hit publish, you need to optimize your video for YouTube's algorithm. This involves crafting a compelling title, writing a detailed description rich with relevant keywords, and adding appropriate tags. Once all that is done, you upload your video to YouTube, schedule it or publish it, and then start engaging with your audience in the comments. So there you have it, a comprehensive look at how you can create a thriving YouTube channel in 2025 without ever showing your face, all thanks to AI tools. We've walked through the compelling reasons why you might choose this path, from privacy to production efficiency. We've explored some of the most popular and viable niches that are perfectly suited for faceless content, and we've dived into the specific AI tools like ChatGPT, ElevenLabs, Pictory, and Canva that can become your digital production crew. The barrier to entry for quality content creation has never been lower. The key takeaway here is that the technology is ready and waiting to help you bring your ideas to life. Starting a faceless YouTube channel in 2025 is not only possible but also efficient with the right AI tools. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights into AI-powered content creation. Let me know in the comments if you're thinking about starting a faceless channel or if you have any favorite AI tools you're already using. Peace out.